Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for trading, staking, or just better opportunities, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it securely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring XRP like a pro, saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitrue and that you have some XRP in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, and crypto hacks are no joke. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Navigate to your dashboard and find the XRP wallet. Here, select the Send or Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so keep that handy. Step 2. Head over to Bitrue. Log in to your account and go to the Deposit section. Select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique deposit address for your Bitrue wallet. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review all the details, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Step 4. Sit tight and monitor the transaction. XRP transfers on the XRP ledger are usually fast, often under a minute, but it can take a few minutes for full confirmation. Once it's done, check your Bitrue balance to ensure everything arrived safely. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, be aware of any gas fees or network congestion, as these can vary. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred XRP from Coinbase to Bitrue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.